Hello everyone. I find some species of butterfly absolutely fascinating because instead of their wings being coloured by pigments, they have evolved microscopic structures that cause interference of the light waves hitting their wings. Red wavelengths are cancelled out and blue wavelengths are reinforced, making the wings a wonderful iridescent blue. This reminds me of the range of interesting colours you can get from anodized titanium, and the physics behind the colours is the same. The thin layer of oxide on the titanium causes interference of the light. Some wavelengths are cancelled out, while others are reinforced. I decided to try and make an anodized titanium butterfly. First, choose a butterfly you like the look of and print it out to use as a template. I bought small sheets of 0.3mm titanium online and used the template to trace the outline of the butterfly. I then cut out the butterfly shape with tin snips. It's not necessary, but if you have a grinding tool, you can use it to smooth down the edges of the cut. Clean the titanium with rubbing alcohol to remove oils and finger marks, otherwise these will leave marks in your anodized layer. For the anodizing bath, I used Coke. You can use any cola that contains food acid 338. 338 is food-grade phosphoric acid. It gives Coke and Pepsi their tang and is really bad for your teeth. Leave the cola to stand so that it goes flat. You don't want too much fizz during the anodizing process. I lined a plastic tray with aluminium foil and connected it to the negative side of my power supply. The titanium is then attached to the positive side. For those of you who don't have a power supply, I also tried using a couple of 9-volt batteries, and they worked just as well. Pour the cola into the tray and you're ready to start anodizing. Switch on the power and plunge the titanium into the cola. I obviously didn't leave the Coke to go flat long enough. Remove the titanium periodically to check on the colour. It will go through brown to purple to dark blue, then light blue. Once it has reached the shade of blue you want, remove it from the bath and switch off the power. You now have a blue titanium butterfly. I cleaned the titanium with alcohol again to get rid of the Coke residue. To finish it off, I attached a couple of antennae and detailed the butterfly with some black enamel paint. And there you have it, a way to make interesting decorative titanium pieces and a fun little weekend project.